Based training. So, web-based training delivery, it's also as a e-learning or technology-based learning. Leverage technology to enhance learning. So, web-based training is also called e-learning or online learning. It uses technology and the internet to deliver the lesson. There are web-based learning may have two types. So, two types, which is synchronous and asynchronous. And synchronous, it's which is instructor lead, which or real time, which is face to face. Then asynchronous, self-paced, no instructor or recorded lesson, which mo ni siya ang self-directed daw is kanang mga online class. Ang sa web-based training is naa siya advantageous o disadvantage, which is ang iyang advantage is on demand siya or on demand access siya, no travel needed o cost effective. Maka-learn ka anytime, then no hassle sa travel, tapos maka-less pod ka sa cost. Then ang disadvantage niya is ng less personal interaction, technology or internet issues lang. Less interaction, personal interaction, dili kaya sa face to face na makapangutana ka or kung sa imong gusto ipangutana if ang imong technology malubat or ang imong internet is loading ba or nahurot na ang kuan inana. Then next is job shadowing. An experienced employee is paired with a new employee to learn skills through observation. A potential disadvantage is that the new employee might pick up bad habits or shortcuts. So, job shadowing delivery. Job shadowing pairs a new employee. So, kani is with this experienced worker, the train observes how tasks are done and learns by watching and assisting. So job shadowing kanang nindot siya kay maka-learn ka by observation. Ang iyang advantage is kanang makita nimo siya og ma-hands-on pug ka sa ma-hands-on pug ka sa kanang unsay gipakita sa imo sa magtudlo sa imo. Then learners see actual workplace processes. Makita nimo kung makita nimo magunita nimo ang imong workplace. Ang disadvantage po niya is trainers might copy bad habits or shortcuts. Kani siya is kanang kibali ako nga trainer or ga-train pa, makuha jud ako ang bad habits nga gipakita sa ako. Kay nag-observe raman ko pwede ra di ay buhaton ang gipakita sa ko. Mo na siya, depende pod na sa mentor kung unsaon niya pagtudlo sa isa ka observer employee. Then job swapping. Two employees switch position for a set amount of time, offering motivation through a change of scenery and potential cross-training benefits for the company. A drawback is potential loss income and wasted time during a learning period. So sa job swapping training is example, naay duha ka employee nga temporarily exchange job, so they can learn each other's duty. So nindot siya kay makabalo ka kung unsa iya ang trabaho og makabalo pud siya sa imong trabaho. Then this is useful for cross-training and skilled passion. So nindot siya maka-benefit siya sa naay benefits nga makuha ang company, pero ang naay benefits nga makuha ang company. Pero ang disadvantage niya is kanang bitong ang learning time sa duha ka employee nga nag-swap is malo kanang madugay or kanang makalas ang oras. Tapos daghan po yung mga mistake nga makuha while galearn pa sila sa ilang mga rules. Then ang advantage niya is ang employee makagkuha pud og new experience. Unya, ma-prepare na pud dayon ang mga workers or employees for multiple roles. Then last is vestibule training uses a separate near-site classroom settings, and it's an extremely flexible method suitable for a wide array of topics including technical safety, professional quality management, soft skills, and team training. So, kani siya is if ang imong training is mahuman na, near na ka sa work site nimo, which is mahuman na imong training is disseminate na dayon ka kung asa ka dapit. Classroom ba ka, sa stimulation area ba ka, or sa training room. This method is suitable siya for using tools or equipment similar to the actual job. If sa training room ka, ang imong kuan if sa training room or stimulation area daw, then it's ingon pa nga including technical safety. So kung nakularn. Example, if ang vestibule training delivery is kanapitong familiar na sa imo, ang imong gitrain na sa imo ang imong job jud, pero nakaseparate siya, pero near siya sa imong trabahuanan, pero nakaseparate siya na naaba siya sa classroom, sa training room, or sa stimulation area. Mo na siya ang vestibule learning training delivery. So that's all. Thank you.